Hello class 4 students. This video is in continuation of the previous video in which we have studied part 1 of chapter. The name of the chapter is the Northern Mountains. In this video we'll study about the life of the people in the Northern Mountains. So first we are going to study about Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh Union Territory. Earlier they were one state, Jammu and Kashmir, but on 31st October 2019 they got split into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And the capital of Jammu and Kashmir are Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Since Srinagar is freezing during winters, Jammu is taken up as summer capital. The capital of Ladakh Union Territory is Leh. These two union territories are almost entirely mountainous and it has very cold climate. There is snowfall in winters in the northern parts. The natural beauty of the Kashmir Valley makes it very attractive for tourists. It is surrounded by snow-covered mountains and has beautiful lakes such as Dal and Vular. Houseboats or houses on boats float on the lake. Many of them are used as hotels and tourists love to stay in them. Small boats called shikaras are used for boating and also as floating shops. There are few famous tourist places also in these union territories such as Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Amarnath Caves and Vaishno Devi Temple. The traditional piece of clothing for both men and women of Kashmir is a loose gown called firan. And to keep themselves warm in winters, they keep an earthen pot or a basket with burning coal inside it, which is known as kangri, underneath their firans to give themselves relief from cold weather. The main languages spoken in these union territories are Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu and Ladakhi. And the main festivals celebrated are Eid and Shivratri. Also, there is one special crop called saffron grown in this state which is added to food and sweets to give it a special flavor and color. In Hindi it is called kesar. The people of Kashmir make beautiful handicrafts from wood, brass, silver and paper mache. Shawls and carpets made by them are famous all over the world. Now the next state we are talking about is Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. It is a very beautiful state and it has many hill stations and many tourists used to visit Himachal Pradesh. Few hill stations are Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali. The toy train which takes people from Kalka to Shimla is a special attraction. The traditional clothes of women include tight pajamas and loose kurtas with scarves around their head. The men wear tight pajamas and loose shirts with colorful caps. Hindi is the main language of the state and the main festivals are Dussehra and Diwali. Next state is Uttarakhand. Earlier it was part of Uttar Pradesh but then it got split into a different state, Uttarakhand. Its capital is Dehradun. There are few tourist places in the state such as Mussoorie and Nainital. And there are few pilgrimage centers as well such as Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath. Next state is Sikkim and the capital is Gangtok. Kanchenjunga in Sikkim is the third highest mountain peak in the world and the state is famous for orchids. These beautiful flowers you can see in this picture. The women of the state traditionally wear long skirts called boku and they carry colorful jewelry made of beads along with it. Next state is West Bengal and the capital is Kolkata. And there is a beautiful hill station called Darjeeling in this state, which lies in the northern part of West Bengal. This place, Darjeeling, it is famous for its Darjeeling tea, which is famous all across the world. And there are so many tea estates or tea gardens in this area. Now we'll move further towards the northeastern part and we'll talk about the state Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. There are in all 7 states in the northeastern India and they are known as 7 sisters. But most of the part of Assam and Tripura, they lies in plain. Now Arunachal Pradesh, its capital is Itanagar, and the river Brahmaputra enters India through this state. You can see in this picture from China, this river is entering through Arunachal Pradesh in India. In China, this river is known as Tsangpo, and when it enters India, it is called Brahmaputra. The other state, this one is Meghalaya, and the capital is Shillong. And it has beautiful hill stations, and the state, it has a place called Maisanram. It's a village in Meghalaya which has a record of getting highest rainfall in the world, and overall the state used to get maximum rainfall across it. Now the 3 states we are talking about: Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. This small green state is Nagaland, the second one is Manipur, and this one is Mizoram. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima, capital of Manipur is Imphal, and capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Nagaland, it is the home of Naga tribe. The Nagas, they wear colorful shawls and they make a lot of decorative articles from bamboo, cane and wood. And the state Manipur, its Manipuri dance is famous all over the country. Mizoram, its capital is Aizawl, and its main language of the state is Mizo. This is the famous dance form of Mizoram and their way of dressing. That's it related to this chapter. Thank you so much.